everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shrivani. If you haven't subscribed or you have not gone through my channel, do it as soon as you so that you'll get the notification as soon as I upload my videos. To subscribe, like, and share. So now I'm going to speak about something about IPDRG, which has openings in Optum, but the location will be Chennai. Let me introduce that first and give you detailed clarification on this, where you can get an idea and a glimpse of what actually it's going to be happening on November 29th of this month, which is on Saturday. Without any delay of the time, the first and foremost thing I would like to say is that this walk-in drive is for freshers. So I would say that this would be the best and wonderful opportunity they can and utilize wisely to crack the interview and to get into a job, because you can begin the career starting with IPDRJ itself if you get a job in this particular department. This holds a top department, even other does, but you can directly start your career or kickstart your career with this department. Normally, when they hire freshers, they usually take it for HCC coding or different departments. But if you are getting into this, it's your luck and fortunate enough for this. So the reason for making this video is so that you can all know about this before getting into before getting into the location or the premises of the Optum in Chennai. So the location would be Chennai. The reason I'm making the video for Chennai is they can have the idea, and the only reason is they are hiring for IPDRJ freshers. It's not experience, it's freshers. What's the qualification, where's the location, and what is the eligibility criteria? Let's discuss and see it now so that you can get a crystal clear idea about what I'm speaking today. So the first thing is this is completely a walk-in drive. Usually Optum has references, mostly references, but this is a walk-in drive on 29th of this month, November, which is Saturday. So it is hiring the freshers for IPDRG, which is inpatient department. Inpatient department. It is hiring for inpatient department in Chennai. And the third thing is you can start your career with leading most of the MNC companies. This is one of the MNC company. You can start your career with this MNC company. And the first thing is the eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria to get into this? I have already made a video on clear certification, what certifications are preferable and what are the certifications we have. That is the video that I have made it recently. You can check out in my page, and I wish you should go through that completely in order to get a clear idea about it. So the eligibility criteria is freshers, and the certifications are CPC, CIC or CCS. In any one of them are mandatory. Without certification, we are not eligible. This marks the importance of the certification, how important it is to get into a department. Because they are hiring for departments without the certification, they're not going to allow. They have fortunately given you the option to even get through CPC also, because in some of the companies they restrict for CCS or CCI. They don't allow even, like, the preference would be given for CCS certification rather than giving CPC. So the certification would be anything in that matter: CPC, CIC and CCS. That is, any of the one is mandatory. So what is with the qualification? Who are actually eligible, who are qualified candidates to get and give the interview on 29th November? BSc nursing, like, as this is a department of IPDRG, which is inpatient need to be done, they have choose some of the uh, they have particularly choose some qualifications or eligibility of the candidates. The BSc nursing or biotechnology, microbiology, and other departments like pharmacy, DPharm, BPharm, BHMS, BAMS, and different departments in that criteria. So these only are the people who are eligible and can apply for this post. The location, the location would be completely Chennai, which is a work from office only. You cannot expect work from home as we are freshers, and after, based on the experience and the different criteria, they will be allotting the work from home. And the third thing already I mentioned, the date is on November 29th, 2025 of this month, which we are is coming on Saturday. The time would be, timings are 10 a.m. It starts from 10 a.m. onwards in the morning. in which I suggest everyone, normally usually I suggest that to be at the location by 9 or 9:30, so that you will be the first person to go, and be a little quicker than others as well. You can be little faster than others as well. That is what I meant. That is beneficial. That is the reason I suggest anyone to just be prior to the timings that is mentioned in the interview post or something. And the venue would be Tamarai Tech Park. In Chennai, there's Tamarai Tech Park, and near the ring road, inner ring road, and Trivika Industrial Estate. Trivika Industrial Estate near Tamarai Tech Park. It's plot number 16 to 20A. You can just go there. It's south block and ground floor. Ground floor Tamarai Tech Park. Inner ring road of the Chennai. In premises, you can find the location, and by the route map and everything, you will be easily locate your location and get there. So, what are the things that you need to carry in order to proceed with the interview process, or get in? There will be something before getting into that, scanning and everything will be there. So, before getting into, what are the documents that you need to carry with you in order to get into the interview? There will be allocating with your cards and everything. So, what you need to carry is the updated resume. What I suggest is that you need to carry an updated resume which is short, clean, precise. What does it mean? Means it's something that is short and sweet. You should not elaborate it so much. It's not really required. My resume is literally a one paper resume which has one side of it, and I'll make it so simpler enough with the points. If you make your resume complicated, you feel complicated when you're giving the interview, because interviewer might also ask the questions from your resume. So be cautious when you're writing or putting something onto the paper of resume. So carry the updated one. Make sure your degree, secondary education, degree, intermediate, schooling, everything are written clearly with all the percentage. Minimum is degree. All the things, 4 years of BComs or something will be there. Make sure it is crystal clear enough to understand to the interviewer, and also be ready for answering whatever the interviewer asks that you have put in the resume. Okay, and the what are the updated resume you need to carry, and recent passport size photo. I would suggest you to carry at least two passport size photos, so that you will not be you'll not be having that jitteriness or nervousness within you once you get into the premises, because you might not have anything that open there. So it should not be an issue for you also. Make sure you're carrying updated resume, two passport size photos, photocopy of Aadhaar and PAN card. If you're not carrying PAN card, uh, that's fine, but make sure it is good and better if you have it. Carry updated resume, photocopies, two photocopies of your passport size photos, and photocopy of Aadhaar. Mandatory, they will check it. So make sure you are carrying the original and Xerox of one copy, and photocopy of PAN card of Xerox will be fine. Make sure you are carrying these four documents before stepping into the location or the premises of Optum. You can just keep it now and make it ready for yourself, so that they will not be issue once after you get there. You can directly go happily and give the interview, and you get selected, you can get into the trainings, and everything will be done. And the interview process will take time once after you get selected in that. I've also made a video on that. Make sure you're checking my video, checking my channel, checking my page and everything. So this is something about the uh, hiring walk-in drive on 29th November. I wish you all the best, and if I can do a video, I will be doing on what are the things that need to be studied before going to an IPDRG interview, because this is something related to inpatient. We need to have grip on complete inpatient guidelines, which is be thorough in inpatient guidelines. As your freshers, they might not ask more, but be prepared for the worst so that you can get the best. Don't get into a dilemma that you're not doing it. You can do it. Make sure you are preparing enough to get into the interview. You have 2 days of time where you can use sagaciously and wisely in order to crack the interview on 29th of November. If you have any queries, do ping me in my comment section or comment box, so that I'll be replying you, and notifying with whatever the doubts you have. For more, do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so that maybe in later or here and there you'll be getting the updates from me to what are the research or the information I am doing from my end. I'll try to make a video on IPDRG. What could be the questions by tomorrow, because I need to research and investigate, and I need to browse over all the internet to get the accurate or the information approximately what could they ask. So don't worry about this. All the best, and I wish you should get selected for the interview that you're going in Chennai. And this is for freshers, so don't be nervous. Be confident enough to face the interviewer, even in the interview round. You might have max 3 rounds. First will be normal assessment could be there, and based on the location or something, it will be 3 rounds maximum. Last will be manager round. So these are something that I would like to cover in this video. If you have any doubts, put me in the comment section. For more, do subscribe my channel without fail.